In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Shopify to GA4. We'll connect your Shopify store to Google Analytics 4 using the official Google and YouTube sales channel, so your store sends accurate e-commerce events like product views, adds to cart, and purchases. This method keeps everything native to Shopify, reduces manual code, and positions you for future updates. Start inside your Shopify admin. Open Apps, search for Google, and choose the Google and YouTube sales channel. Click Add App, then Add Sales Channel to install. You'll need a current paid Shopify plan to connect with Google services. And you should be signed in as a staff member with permission to install sales channels. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the authorization windows can open. Follow the prompts and accept the requested permissions. These let Shopify pass product and event data to your Google tools securely. Once installed, the app will prompt you to connect a Google account. Sign in with the Google account that owns the GA4 property you plan to use. If you use multiple Google accounts, confirm you're on the right one by checking the avatar in the top right corner before granting access. Approve the permissions. This enables the app to read your analytics properties and send events without you adding code snippets manually. Next, link your GA4 property. Inside the Google Channel app, look for the option to connect a Google Analytics property. From the drop-down, select your GA4 property. If you haven't set one up yet, choose the Create New option offered in the app so it can provision the property for you. Double-check the property name to avoid connecting to a test or legacy property, then click Connect. That establishes the live link between your Shopify store and GA4, and event collection begins almost immediately. Now verify the integration. Head to your GA4 account and open Debug View or the Real-Time Report. With your storefront open in another tab, browse a product page and move through a typical shopping journey. You should see events such as Page View, View Item, Add to Cart, and Begin Checkout, appearing within seconds. If data is slow, give it a few minutes, refresh, and try again. Some summary reports can take longer to populate, often up to 24 hours, but Real-Time and Debug View respond quickly. If events don't appear, recheck that you're signed into the correct Google account and that the property you selected in Shopify matches the one open in GA4. Once you see events flowing, your upgrade to GA4 is complete and ready for reporting.